why you're repeating your senior year. Throw in a couple hits of this. It's got my own recipe. Guaranteed to jack you up.
Jack just got the teeth. Sharp one.
You should be getting hatchet for certain.
Yeah, right.